Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking easy soy sauce chicken. So let's start cooking. Now we'll do a very simple marinade on our chicken leg. I have with me over here 3 pieces of fresh chicken leg, approximately a total weight of 860 grams. Marinating is very easy, just 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. The dark soy sauce is just to make sure that the chicken leg are colored beautifully and evenly. So using your hand, just massage it into the skin like this and do it for the other 2. Now we'll start to caramelize our rock sugar. I'm using La Gourmet 32 cm galactic wok. Put in 40 grams of rock sugar, add in a little bit of water and a little bit of oil. At medium-low heat, we'll melt the sugar out. This will take a little while. Caramelizing the rock sugar will give this dish a very beautiful reddish hue color, as well as give this a very nice smoky flavor too. This will take a little bit of time and I'll show you how they look like in a while. As you can see, the rock sugar has melted already and most of the water has evaporated. So it's turning a little bit of brownish right now. We need to still stir this and let this come to a very beautiful brownish kind of color. When you see something like this, that means the sugar is done. Now be very careful. We'll be adding in 1 liter of water first. Right, you can see how beautiful this is. This is what we call 糖汁 or 糖水. And this is also known as caramelized sugar water. Now we add in 1 piece of spring onion, tied up like this. 4 or 5 cloves of garlic skin on, put them in. 1 thumb-sized ginger, slightly smashed, put it in. Adding 1 cinnamon bark, the size of your last finger, put it in. And 1 piece of star anise, put it in. Stir it up. Next we'll add in 50 milliliters of rice wine, Chinese rice wine. If you don't take alcohol, then you can omit this. This will actually give this dish a very nice fragrance. Some actually use 玫瑰露 or rose wine. You can use that also if you want to, no problem. Next we'll add in 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, as well as 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Give it a good stir. Put the lid on and we wait for this to come to a boil. When the water starts to boil, we'll add in our salt, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Now we'll place in our chicken leg, skin side down. And of course, pour everything in. Using medium heat, put the cover back on. We'll let this boil for 15 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 15 minutes is up. Do not remove the cover. Turn the heat off. We'll let the chicken sit inside the sauce for half an hour before we cut it up. I'll see you back in a while. 30 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Let's remove the chicken. They are done already. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. Now we'll set this aside and let it cool down before we cut this up. And we can thicken the sauce so that we can actually put the sauce on the chicken. I'll show you how I do it in a while. Before we thicken the sauce, we'll remove all the ingredients from the gravy. We'll turn the heat up to medium-high and let this come to a boil. Once the sauce starts to boil, we'll thicken it with cornstarch solution. Slowly add it in, depending on how thick you want it to be. Of course, you can give this a taste. If you want this to be more savoury, add in more salt. If you like this to be a little bit sweeter, add in more sugar. It's all up to your personal preferences. Something like this will be good. This is good over noodles, over rice, and of course over the chicken too. Once this is done, we'll turn off the flame. I've cut out the chicken and now all we have to do is just pour the sauce on top of the chicken. Look at how beautiful this is. Top it up with some spring onions and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Let me try the chicken first. Very tender, very flavorful. The sauce on rice, oh my god. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.